How to create a poll on Telegram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the source bar. Now type Telegram. Now once you're done, simply tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Telegram and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now open up your chat on a device. Now tap on the attach icon at the bottom part of your screen. Now here you can find an option for poll. Simply tap on it. Now enter the poll question. Now enter the answers. You can also add an option. Simply tap on add an option. Now once you're done, simply tap on the create icon at the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.